Oftentimes, as you begin experimenting and writing Visual Basic projects, you will want to move projects from one computer to another and base one project on another one. In fact, that's a great way to learn, is to simply start with a simple program and then to expand on it. To create a new project based on a previous one, you should copy the entire project folder. Then you can move and rename it as necessary. You can copy an entire project folder from one location to another using Windows Explorer. Make sure that the project is not open in Visual Studio and copy the entire folder, not just individual files within the folders. Even though you work mainly with just the solution file, the .sln file, if you do not copy the entire folder with all supporting files, your project will not work. To base one project on a previous project, take the following steps. Make sure the project is not open. Copy the folder to a new location using Windows Explorer. Rename the new folder for the new project, still using Explorer. Open the new project, that is the copy, in the Visual Studio environment. In the Visual Studio Solution Explorer window, you can then rename the solution and the project. The best way to do this is to right-click on the name and choose the Rename command from the shortcut menu. To rename the solution, you must display solution names. Rename the forms if desired. If you rename the startup form, you must also open the Project Designer and reset the startup object. You will then open the Project Designer and change the assembly name to match your new project name. Very, very important. Do not try to copy a project that is open using the Save As command in the Visual Basic environment. You will want to copy and rename using Windows Explorer and then open the new copy within Visual Basic. Following these steps will lead to less frustration and will allow you to use one project and then enhance it without destroying or altering the original project, which is a great way to continue to learn more about programming in Visual Basic.